Gattu Chinky go to mall. It was a Sunday, so Gattu Chinky as well as Papa also had a holiday. Gattu and Chinky were getting bored just sitting at the house, so they came to Papa and said,
Papa, let's go out. Chinky and I are getting bored at home. And today is Sunday, so even you have a holiday. Yes, Papa. We have already finished our homework and it is just 11 am. What are we going to do the whole day at home? Please take us somewhere out.
Oh, alright, kids. Then we can do one thing. We can go to check the mall. I have heard that this mall is decorated beautifully. And we can click many photos over there.
Wow, Papa, this is an excellent idea. And Hari told us that the mall has been decorated very well. Let's go there. I will go and ask Mummy to not to cook lunch for us. And we all are going to the mall today.
Gattu ran over to Mummy in the kitchen and told her about the plan.
Mummy, don't prepare lunch today. Papa is taking us to the mall. And he is saying that we will have lunch there only. That's such a nice idea, Gattu. It's good. I will also get to enjoy a Sunday celebration today. I am free from the kitchen duty. Let's get ready.
Everyone got ready quickly and left to go to the mall. After reaching the mall, Mummy and Papa went to the food court along with Gattu and Chinky. So tell me, Gattu Chinky, what would you like to eat?
Papa, I want my favorite cheeseburger. Yes, I also want a cheeseburger. If everyone is getting their favorite dish, then I also want my favorite iced tea.
All right then. I will go and get your favorite snacks. Meanwhile, you do one thing. Go and grab a few nice seats for us. I will be back soon. After some time, Papa came back with cheeseburgers and iced tea for them. And then they had lunch together.
Wow, all of these dishes were so tasty. Thank you, Papa. Thank you, Mummy, for bringing us here. Yes, Papa, Mummy. Thank you.
Welcome, kids.
Papa, let's go and click some photos near the decorations. I will show these photos to all my friends. Yes, Papa. Please click my photos too. The decoration of this mall is really amazing. Our pictures will look good with these decorations.
Okay, then let's go. Let's all click some photos now. Papa took some beautiful pictures of Gattu, Chinky and Mummy. Gattu and Chinky gave different poses for the photos and they had a lot of fun doing it. Kids, now that we have clicked some nice photos, tell me, what do you want to do next? Today I will fulfill all your wishes as you guys have finished your homework so quickly.
Wow, really, Papa? Wow, today is the best day for us.
Yes, of course. So tell me, what to do next? Do you want to eat something or play?
Papa, now let's go to the game section. There are lots of toys and there is a toy train too. When we came to the mall last time, we could not sit on that train because we had to go home. Yes, Papa. I want to ride the train this time. Please, Papa.
Okay, kids, let's go to the game section and you both can enjoy the toy train ride. Papa took Gattu and Chinky to the games section where there was a toy train. Gattu and Chinky sat on the toy train together and started singing songs.
See, our train's coming.
Papa and Mummy were happy to see Gattu and Chinky enjoying. After a while, both of them got down from the train and came back. So Gattu, Chinky, did you enjoy the train ride? And your song was quite interesting.
Yes, Papa, we had a lot of fun. So kids, now you can select one toy each from the shop and we will get it for you. Okay? But only one each. Wow, thank you, Mummy. We will go and look for some toys.
Gattu and Chinky started looking for toys. Chinky chose a Barbie doll and Gattu selected a car. Mummy and Papa gave both of them toys that they selected. So kids, did you have fun today? Look, it's getting dark outside. Let's go home now.
Yes, Papa, we had a lot of fun. Thank you so much for bringing us here. Yes, Mummy, Papa, we really enjoyed this trip. And these toys are also very good. Come on, kids. Now let's have ice cream and then we will go home. I will prepare a tasty dinner for you. Then you both have to get up early tomorrow because you have to go to school, right? Okay, Mummy.
Then they all had ice cream and went home.
If you are liking our videos, then like them, comment them, and subscribe.